So the furnace got an evolution, and let's go see what this is all about. Alright, man, let's check out this furnace evolution. Apparently it's kind of overpowered, so I'm gonna be the judge of that. This guy's going furnace straight in. Okay, well, I mean, I don't have a good cycle. This cycle kind of sucks. I mean, if you start with a bad rotation, there's nothing you can do. There's nothing we can do. We gotta tank this damage. Just tank it all. Because what else do we do? What else do we do here? This guy won't let me save elixir, bro. Man, let me save my elixir, bro. Let's get this elixir up so I can get a push going real quick. Relax, we're good. Relax, we're good. We're good. Let's get a Royal G going right here. He's got a wizard. Let's think about this. Let's think about this. Yep. Good damage. Good damage. Sweet. Yo, that's so close. Whoa. Okay, that's fine. 60 seconds left. Let's do this. Open for Royal Giant. How about that? And let's go for a Fireball. And he goes in for this guy real close. What the hell? Okay. This is still possible. I mean... What? Yo. Yo. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Talk to dog. Nice. Nice. It's got Golden Knight. So, let's do this instead. Hehehe. Nice. 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 Don't let him get another ability, and nice. How about that? How about that? How about that? Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Let's go!